everyone, it's Laura here, and today we're playing Animal Jam. If you don't know what my user is, I started a few days ago, so it's not showed up. So where's the mouse? Okay, there we go. So yeah, but here I am. Got a cute little colour. But if you want to know what my username is, it's ThrillerFriend2. It'll be in the description anyway, so yeah. Let's go to the forest. Oh, wow. Let's see. Actually, let's see who's online. Brownie for okay. My previous account I forgot, but now I remember this one because I just made it a few days ago. Oh, hello. So yeah, it might be a bit shaky because I'm just holding my iPad up. So let's go to my dead. Here's the dead button. Where's the mouse? Over here. Okay, there we go. And there's no music on or volume because, yeah. So here's my dead. It's got that tree, gingerbread. Yeah, it's Christmassy at the moment. I don't even know what that is. If you know what that is, please tell me. Oh, and by the way, this channel's going to become an Animal Jam. What's it called? Yeah, YouTube channel, because I have got a camera for Christmas and I'm doing a new channel for LPS. So once I do that, I will do a video on here. So yeah. So let's go. 2 seconds. Okay, guys. So let's carry on. Let's go into the world. Where should I go? Java Township. So I'm going to be trying a troll. I don't know why. I just want to troll. Party in Pillar Room. Go to Pillar Room. People call it an adoption centre when it's actually a Pillar Room. Can I adopt you? Exactly, my point cries because it's just bored. Oh.
Hey.
Dad. Whoa, but hang on. Okay, never mind. What needs owner put is the put. Okay, what is that? War by Den and Princess. Yeah, you're so such a princess, aren't you? I found him hanging on the wall. What is this, guys? Why? Okay, yeah. My arm aches from this, so hang on. Okay, guys, I'm at her friend's den, and someone else is at her den. Oh, there she is. Hi. 2 secs. That's my friend up there. Mango one. So, as you can see, hang on, 2 secs. Okay, hang on. I need to put byeee. Okay, so what I'm just gonna do is check her trades. Because I might want to do. What's her trade? Oh, okay. Sorry. Okay, so. Okay, back. So, who's this? Oh, oh. Shall I add a? Yeah, why not? Okay. I tried to do this. Okay, what did she say? So I tried to do this video earlier, but I got interrupted. Then I got then it stopped on its own because I didn't have enough snow. She has a pretty cool den, doesn't she? Oh my gosh, she has a game. Overflow. I don't even know what that game is, so let's play it anyway. Oh, I know this game. Oh, I don't know. People. Okay, people could say I'm good at this game. Okay, back. Oh, I got a friend. I got like loads of friends. I've got like 16 out of 100, so I'm just gonna go somewhere else. Let's go here. Interesting. It looks like I'm the only person here. Okay, I put the music back on, I think. I don't even know if it was already on. And why does it keep flashing? Stop flashing! I really want to do a trust trade with someone. What if I go to 40? Who's 40? Guess I'll go to her dad. I want to see if she will do a trust trade with me. I don't know. So wait till she comes or something. Come on. Come on, I want to do a trust trade. If you don't know what a trust trade is, it's basically where you trade but you declined it. Because if they accept it, then basically they're scamming you or something. I don't even know myself, but I'm just going to do how I do. She's not coming. Let's go to another person's. Brownie. Go to her dad. You need... Ugh. Wait, we need to be an ocean animal. That's terrible. Ugh. I have to wait then. 2 hours later. She's still not here. Come on. Okay, I'm just gonna go to this girl's dad. Oh no, she's a seal. Okay, let's go to her dad. Where is she? Java Township. I'll go to her dad. What is he? Whoa, that's very cool. Whoa. Oh my god. Portal. Oh. Oops, the Jammer's done his up before. Let's wait. Hopefully it won't be like another 2 hours. Ugh. 2 hours later. Really? What the flip? Okay, hello. Hi. Hi. Yes, she came. Hi. What? 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 I didn't even do it. Okay. Okay. What the flip? Animal Jam just did that to me, and all I was asking it is, do you know what a trust trade is? For God's sake, Animal Jam, really? For God's sake, oh my god. Really, Animal Jam? I wasn't even scamming. All I said is, do you know what a trust trade is? You guys probably have seen it. Ugh. Animal Jam! For God's sake. I'm really, 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 really angry right now. Well, I probably won't show it, but... Okay, she's gotta fly. I'll go to Baggles. Deb. I'll go to her dad. You know what? I don't care anymore. She should be here. Okay, hang on, let's just wait. Oh. Oh. Hi. Hi. I'm 3, 4. I'm recording. What? Is that it? Say, I'm recording. I want to see if she says hi. Say hi. Oh, okay. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi to the YouTube. Oh my god. I'll try and contact her. Say hi. Hello. Okay, so she's just said hi, guys. So I don't know what to do. So what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Because I don't know, guys. So I'm just gonna ask is it Mango? Mango One? I don't know. I know she's probably a FNAF fan. If you don't know what that is, Five Nights at Freddy's basically. I was changing the look. I don't know if we should do a trust trade. Trust trade. What do we do? Okay, guys. So I might ask her if we could do a trust trade. So trust trade. Please let me do this. If you won't. Is it like? Oh, she went. What happens if I do it now? What? What? Guys, you actually saw that though. What the? I'm so annoyed. Well, bye. Okay, where are we? Right. Bye. Okay, wait till she says bye. Say bye. I could tell her by a cow. Bye. Oh my god, that's so funny. Alright guys, so I'm going to leave this here, so I'll see you all next time in my next Edible Jam video. Bye.